Hi students, this is the chapter 6 triangle and its properties. First of all, we will see what do you mean by triangle. Triangle is nothing but a closed shape which is having three sides, three vertices and three angles. Okay, triangles. Triangle is nothing but a closed shape which is having three sides, three vertices and three angles. Now the triangles can be like this, can be like this and can be like this. Okay. Now sides. Okay. Suppose I'm taking this triangle only, A, B, C. Okay, name is ABC. Now sides are three sides, side AB, side AC and side BC. So AB, BC and AC are the three sides of a triangle. The next thing is angles. Now angle A. Now see, angle A, you know already how to read a angle name. So angle A can be write as angle BAC. Okay, can be write as a angle BAC. So angle B can be written as a angle ABC. And third is angle C can be read as a ACB, and this one can be CAB, angle CBA also, and angle BCA also. Possibly all are a same measurements. Okay. Now this about angles. Now next thing is vertices. Vertices of a triangle. Vertices means this three points where we are joining the three sides. Okay, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. These are the three vertices of a triangle. Now see these three figures. In this you can see the difference, no? Now the three types of triangles are there. See, triangles types are based on the angles and based on sides. Now three total six types are there, three from based on angles and three from based on sides. Okay, now first thing, see, this triangle is an acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Okay, I'll explain it better way. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle is the triangle which is having all the three angles are acute angle. Acute angle means what? Less than 90 degree. Okay. Now the next is obtuse angle triangle. Next is obtuse angle triangle. The triangle which is having one angle is greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree, then that triangle is called as a obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now third point is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Now see, right angle triangle. Okay, one angle is 90 degree. So three types which is based on the angles. Now three types which is based on the sides. Now which is based on sides. Okay, one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Then second one is uh, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. And third one is scalene triangle. Okay, scalene triangle. Now in equilateral triangle, suppose this one is triangle, all the sides will be same, means suppose this ABC, then AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, all the three sides will be same. Now in isosceles triangle, okay, this two sides or any two sides will be the same, and another one is different, means it is isosceles triangle. And scalene triangle is nothing but all the sides will be different. Okay, all the sides will be different. Suppose this is 8 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, here 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and suppose 7 centimeter, here suppose 6, 6, 6, all are same, here 2 are same, and here all 3 are different. That is nothing but scalene triangle. Okay, now the base point from this chapter is we have to discuss medians and altitudes of a triangle. Then what do you mean by median? Okay, medians of a triangle. Now suppose this is one triangle and the median is nothing but the line which will join the one vertex and midpoint of the opposite side. Suppose this is triangle, okay, A B C. Now from this point, suppose D is a midpoint of the ABC, okay, means BD is equal to DC. Okay, these two are same. Okay, D is a midpoint. Now from this point to this point, if I'll join, then this line is called as a median. That is nothing but, median is nothing but a line segment AD joining the midpoint of BC bar to its opposite vertex. Okay, the line segment which will join the median midpoint of the BC to its opposite vertex A is called as a median of a triangle. So median is AD. Okay, now the median can be a median connects a vertex of a triangle to its midpoint to the opposite sides. The median can be drawn from this point also, and the median can be drawn from this vertex also. Okay, here it will be same, here it will be same. These three medians you can draw. Then next thing, altitudes of triangle. Now medians we learn. Now altitudes. What do you mean by altitudes? Altitude is nothing but the height of a triangle. Okay, height of a triangle. That is nothing but the 90-degree angle we have to made from any of the vertex from the triangle. That is, suppose this is one triangle A B C. From the point A we have to draw a perpendicular on the BC, that is nothing but point D. Then this AD is called as a altitude of a triangle. That AD is nothing but height also, and that is nothing but altitude of a triangle. So altitude is equal to AD. Okay, altitude is AD. The altitude having one point as a vertex and another point is on the opposite side of that vertex, and it is making an perpendicular on that side. That is nothing but altitude. Now altitudes can be drawn from these 3 points also. Okay, from if I want to draw the altitude from B to AC, then see B2, it will come somewhere here like this only. So altitude AB will come only. If I want to draw the altitude from this to A, then see this one is, then perpendicular will come here somewhere here. Okay, perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. Then altitude can be go out of the triangle. So 3 altitudes are there for the triangle. Now see here, how many altitudes can triangle have? 3 altitudes can a triangle have. I already told. Draw the rough sketch of altitudes from point A to B, A to BC for the following triangles. A to BC, this one. This is already done. And obtuse angle triangle. Okay, obtuse angle triangle, for that you have to draw from the outside. You have to draw from the outside. Okay, then next thing is third, will an altitude always lie in the interior of the triangle? If you think that this is need not be true, draw a rough sketch to show such a case. See, this is not true because we already seeing here the thing. I already told the altitude cannot be always not be in a interior. It can be present in a exterior of a triangle. So altitude always lie in the interior of a triangle? Answer is no. And if you think for this question, you can draw this figure. Can you think a triangle in which two altitudes of a triangle are two sides of a triangle? See, two altitudes can be the two sides. It is possible. Suppose see this right angle. In this one side BC, if I want to draw the vertex from B, then I have to draw like this only. Okay, then one altitude is nothing but one side. And another thing, from A point, if I want to draw the altitude, then it will be same line as a AC. So the two altitudes can be the two vertices in case of right angle triangle. So this is, yes, the triangle in which two altitudes of a triangle, there is 90 right angle triangle in which altitudes of a triangle of are two sides of a triangle. Then next, can the altitude and median be the same for a triangle? Yes, of course, because in equilateral triangle you can draw a median, then automatically it will be an altitude. So up to this over, then try to solve the 6.1. Thank you, students.